Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's the question?
If I ask you when is the real birthday of our national flag, what would your answer be?
Independence Day or 15th August?
That's exactly what I thought. But I discovered something surprising. The correct answer is 22nd July.
Really? How is that possible? Now you have made me curious.
On 22nd July 1947, the Constituent Assembly of India officially adopted the Tiranga as the national flag of India. It happened 24 days before India became independent on 15th August 1947.
Wow, I never knew that. Now, so that we celebrate National Flag Adoption Day on 22nd July.
Exactly. Now let me ask you another question. Do you know who designed our national flag?
I know the flag, but I didn't know the designer.
It was designed by Pingali Venkaya, a great patriot and freedom fighter. His vision gave India a national flag that represents peace, hope, unity and courage.
That's amazing, but I have always wondered why the flag has only 3 colors.
Each color has a powerful meaning. Saffron stands for courage, sacrifice, selfless service. White represents peace, hope and honesty. Green symbolizes prosperity, growth and harmony with nature.
And what about the blue wheel in the center?
That's Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes representing righteousness, justice, discipline and continuous progress. It reminds us that our life and the nation should be never stop from moving forward.
Interesting, but here's one question. Is the Tiranga just a flag?
Not at all. It is the symbols of dreams of 1.4 billion people, the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, the bravery of our soldiers who protect our nation every day.
That means respecting the national flag means much more than saluting it.
Absolutely. We honor the flag whenever we are honest, respect others, protect public property, keep our surroundings clean and work hard to make India a better nation.
Can every Indian proudly hoist the flag?
Yes, every Indian can, but always with dignity and respect by following the flag code of India. Our national flag should never be disrespected because it represents the pride of our entire nation.
You know, after learning all this, I don't think I will look at the Tiranga in the same way again.
Neither will I. Every time it waves in the sky, it reminds me the courage of our freedom fighters, the dedication of our soldiers, and the responsibility we have as the citizens of India.
So on this National Flag Adoption Day, let's not just admire our flag, let's live by the value it teaches us: courage, truth, peace, unity, discipline and progress.
Because the greatest way to honor our flag is not only just by saluting it,
by becoming responsible, honest and compassionate citizen of our country.
The Tiranga is not just our national flag, it is our identity, our pride and our promise to keep India united and strong. Let us always honor it with respect, dignity and love. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.